Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to invert the colours on a photo, or just on a certain object or part. So, I'm assuming you already have GIMP pre-installed. If not, there'll be a link to a card somewhere up here of how to install it. The video is called How to Edit a Green Screen, and I do at the start of that, which is the first episode in this series. So, now you have GIMP, let's continue. So, first things first, drag in your image. So, I'm going to continue with this image that I've been using for the last one and the next one. So once you've got this, first thing I'm going to show you is how to invert the colour on the whole picture. That's really easy. It's just colour, invert. There we go. But I only want to invert the colours of Big Ben here and this building here. So we'll have to do it slightly differently. So the way we need to do this is first duplicate the layer. So we want to click on it and we want to click duplicate. And now on the top one we want to right click and add an alpha channel. An alpha channel means when you rub something out, it will go transparent. So as you can see, that is now transparent, which is what we want. So now to get rid of all of this background for the top one, we have to click on this button here, the lasso. Now we're going to start off with Big Ben, and I want only this top half here to go to transparent, so we're just going to go around it. If it helps, you can press Control and your mouse scroll wheel to zoom in, or two fingers if you're using a trackpad, and then space to move about. So now we've done this, and if you hold down the button, it will let you go into this freeform mode, and if you click, if you just do clicks, you get straight lines. I personally think just using straight lines is better because it means everything's a bit neater. And you want to zoom in to get as much detail as possible. And then once that's done to the area you want, so I want this top part, you close the loop and you press enter. But now if we deleted that, it would only delete inside of the Big Ben, which is not what we want. So now you have to press Control I and then press delete. What Control I does is invert the delete. And now to unselect Big Ben, we just need to make a shape off the side of the screen, and that deselects everything, and then we just need to go to Color, Invert. And as you can see, that part of the Big Ben's inverted. So we have to go back here and click on the eye of the original layer, which will then put them together. And if you're happy with that, or whatever you've done, you then go to File, Export As, type in the name, 1, Export, and then Export. And it's that easy. And now you've learnt how to do both of them. So if you enjoyed this video, I will hopefully see you in the next one. So goodbye. Bye.